Hi everyone, welcome to the video. It's Sam. Thank you for joining us on Thanksgiving or maybe the day after. Today we're looking at the dividend stocks that we bought this week, and I haven't talked about these in a week because we do this on a weekly basis. So we are doing this dividend series where we invest $100 a week into dividend paying stocks. We are buying a variety of different stocks, and we're trying to get the best return we can. And we're using dividends because it is a very stable way of investing where you can plan out how much you should be making in the future. Now, of course, companies can cut or raise their dividends, but over time you can see a pattern emerge. So if you guys like this, if you want to join us, definitely hit subscribe down below. We do not only do dividend investing videos, we also do high growth videos. So we've had a lot of high growth stocks that have been exploding recently. Some going up 100% just over the last week. One went up 100% in just 3 trading days. So I came out with a video. It was at $13.50 and then went up all the way to $31. We sold out some of it then. Definitely hit subscribe to join us along the investing journey. Also, if you want to see exactly what I'm buying and what I'm selling, check out the link down below to Patreon, where you can join our investing Discord. You can see exactly what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and you'll be alongside a bunch of other investors. And if you want some free stocks from WeBull, definitely check that out in the description below too. And last thing, if you want to join us, we are doing this on M1 Finance. It's a really good investing app. Again, I just talked about WeBull for some free stocks, but if you want to join us along on M1 Finance, you can definitely check out the link down below. We do all our dividend investing on M1 Finance. They allow you to drip invest, which is essentially just giving back your dividends to buy new companies. And that's a really attractive way of investing in dividends. It's very hands off. So definitely check that out down below after you hit the like button. So thank you guys for getting through all that. I really appreciate it. Let's take a look at the companies that we bought. So let's just go over to our activity and I'll show you the total portfolio in a second. We actually did our first sell, or maybe our second. I think it's our first. So we sold SPHD, which is a high dividend mutual fund. I sold it because I think there are better ways to invest. So I really feel strongly about these companies on the left. I feel like they're going to go up. And I thought, why invest in a mutual fund that could give us some nice dividends, but overall, I don't think it will increase as much as these companies. So we sold out of that and we reinvested. We put in the $100 and reinvested the $66.47. So we invested $46.46 into Disney. They grew their streaming service recently. They came out with their Q3 results and they increased from 60 million subscribers to 73 million subscribers on their Disney Plus platform, which is a streaming service. Again, I think they're going to be able to expand this a lot going forward. And a lot of people still think of them as just a brick and mortar business, while I think they are much more than that. I think they're a growing tech company. We also have Foot Locker, which we put more money in. They're one of our larger positions. I think that Foot Locker will do really well in Q4 with Christmas coming up, and I think that they're just going to do well in general. I had invested a long time ago in Foot Locker, and we've done really well. We also have Store Capital, which we invested $80 into, so I feel very strongly about Store Capital. I think it's our largest position right now. And I feel really strongly they are a REIT, so they pay out dividends, really high yielding dividends. And they're able to do this because they have tenants that are not quite investment grade. So they're just below like the Starbucks of the world. They're the Ashley Furnitures of the world. And they are able to get higher rents from these companies, and they're able to screen these tenants a lot better. So we put $80 worth into them this week. So overall, our portfolio is up a good amount. So overall, we're up about 33%. If we look at the holdings, you can see the actual return is about 15.4%. This amount here is the money weighted return. So it depends when you invest in there. So it will change, but we're up a good amount. You can see our total portfolio here. Store Capital is up a good amount, 33%. Disney's up. JP Morgan is up. Foot Locker's up. Realty Income is up. AT&T is up. Innovative Industrial Properties is up, and Qualcomm and Invesco are all up. I mean, we have 31 cents left in here. I don't know why I didn't sell the last little bit, but you can see that we're up in every single position, and we are looking good. So I just wanted to give you this quick update on our dividend investing series. So again, if you want to follow us along on this journey, we should reach $1 million, or I should reach $1 million by the time I'm 60. So definitely check out the link down below. You don't have to invest a lot of money, whether it's $100 a week, whether it's 50, whether it's 20, whether it's 10, whatever you can do. Definitely check out the link down below to start investing today to M1 Finance. If you want some free stocks, check out WeBull. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you want to see something that's maybe more of a growth portfolio, if you're more interested in growth portfolios, you can definitely check out this video here that I made on my growth portfolio earlier today. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in this video.